Good morning guys. Today I am going to discuss about aspects of strategic implementation. So basically if in examination if they ask for what are the aspects of strategic implementation, you have 6 steps, that is project manipulation, procedure implementation, structural implementation, what is structural consideration, organization design and change, and organization system. Today I will be discussing one by one. In fact, most of the time in the examination, these steps can be asked individually. Suppose they will be asking in the exam what are the structural considerations in strategic implementation, or they even ask what are the organization system in strategic implementation for 6 marks separate. So what I do is like individually what project management one class, like procedure implementation, briefly that I will be telling. But so you should understand what are the things actually comes in the aspects of strategic implementation. So I written all the 6 points. So these are all 6 points which comes in the strategic implementation. So before getting into project manipulation or next steps, first I want to tell you what is strategic implementation. So in the previous class also, like I told you what is strategic implementation. So strategic implementation basically, so whatever the strategy you formulated or whatever the thought process you have in your mind regarding strategy, now it's time to implement, means that put it into the actions. Like whatever you have planned for your business, now you are going to implement it, you are putting in action. Okay, so basically what it requires convert of decision into action. Okay, so managing forces during actions, that means you have to manage all the forces which comes in the organization, and you need motivational skills, and you need good leadership skills to implement the plans. So what we do actually in a strategic implementation, first we plan and then we will program that. So what programs will come, we will set our goals, policies, procedures, rules, and steps to be taken. So, and in particular some specific programs, that is like what is the time of completion of program, what are the schedules, what are all the cost which is incurred in the strategic implementation, how to design it, so what are the functional policies and procedures. So these are all the things which comes under strategic implementation. Okay, so let us get into first, like okay, project manipulation. So what is project manipulation? You can see here. So project manipulation is a complete process of analysis and evaluation of different projects available to strategic business. Okay, what do you think if I say project? So project, you may be heard like some IT people will be telling, or people who belong to the construction, house constructions or apartment construction, they will be telling I have this project, after completing this project I will move on to the next projects, like that. So it may be a road construction, it may be a building construction, so likewise different projects. Okay, so project manipulation is a complete process of analyzing and evaluation of different projects available to strategic business. So these includes fund analysis, how much fund is required for the projects, okay, how much lakhs or crores, like how much it requires. So that is called financial or fund analysis. And what are the risks involved in the projects? So like I may fail in the projects, I may get succeed in the projects, what are the difficulties will come in the projects. Suppose you take construction of building, so what may be the difficulties like will come during the construction of building. So risk analysis and return analysis. Like what is return analysis? Okay, after like you invest, what is the return you will be getting after that profit you will be getting. So and time period analysis. So time period analysis is like how much time is required to complete the particular projects. So see, when I say project, you have a separate subject called project management, where you will be studying PERT and CPM.
what is CPM, like critical path method, where you exactly find out the time of a project completions. Okay, these are all things comes under project manipulation. So in the next class I will be telling about a procedural implementation. Again, you have 7 steps. Individually I need to tell detailedly about a procedural implementation regarding licensing and all. So tomorrow I will be telling about procedural implementation.